Welcome to the Hasty Tasty Chef. Alright guys, we're so excited you're here. What are we going to do today?
We're going to make a cake.
We're making a cake. We're making a red velvet curse. Yes, so before we get started, there's a couple of things they should do, right?
Wash your hands.
Wash your
when
hands.
You get out, use the glove.
You need some oven mitts or just some mitts in general to protect yourself. We're going to be making a cake today, right? What kind of cake are we making?
A red velvet.
A red velvet. That is Hollis's favorite cake, isn't it?
And this is the mix.
This is the mix, yeah. So if you guys have not checked out our other video on how to make your base cake mixes, definitely do this. This comes in handy and it goes hand in hand with our cookbook.
Yes.
With all the
they
recipes.
Come on Amazon.com.
Yes, so you can grab your Microbake Magic on Amazon.com. He's exactly right. Today we're making red velvet in the shape of what?
A butterfly.
That's
now,
like
we had
Mommy's
some
favorite.
others. We're going to do these, but it's going to be another time.
Yeah, another time. But we do. We've got tons of different shapes in our Hasty
but
Tasty.
we're going to lose a butterfly.
Yes, a yellow butterfly.
And we have two.
Yes, we do. So we've got one on display here, one we're going to use. So our first step today is we're going to oil it. So you want to spray the oil in?
Yes. Now make sure your parents helps you with this.
Mm-hmm. Just a light. And we'll kind of move it around. Just real light, not a lot.
Okay, I'm trying.
It's okay, Bubba.
Ready?
Do you need Mommy to help you press it? All right. Okay, that's plenty. That's perfect.
Oh, there's a sponge.
But I'm going to move it around so it'll be okay. So here's a little pro tip for you when you're doing this. And you get a little bit much.
This is on YouTube and it's not ready yet.
Yeah, we're going to be uploading this video to YouTube. So definitely, when you watch it, be sure to do what?
Click subscribe and ring
That's
that
right.
bell.
Click the subscribe and ring that bell. You got it. 5. I like that. I like that. All right, so I'm taking a paper towel because we got a little bit much.
My mom's crazy sometimes.
I'm not crazy.
I'm joking. Mom's
you.
just going to do the thing.
Yeah, I'm just going to wipe it down a little bit
now
to get the bubbles out.
We're using milk and egg and butter.
Very good. He's exactly
And the butter
right.
popped on the mic like it's put in a microwave.
I don't know what happened with that. That was kind of not normal.
Yeah.
It did explode. So, yes, you want to melt your butter down, and we're putting our silicone pan right onto a plate. So that when we're getting it out. Yes, we're going to need a bowl to mix, a whisk. Add in our milk first. So, Hollis, do you want to pour the milk in?
Yep.
So we have 2.5 tablespoons of milk.
I'm the Hasty Tasty Chef.
He is the Hasty Tasty Chef. All right, so I promise. Let's grab the egg. Let's add the egg in. So we have half a tablespoon.
I make the greatest food.
He does make the greatest food.
Now we need butter.
We do. Let me tell him a quick little tip. So it is half a tablespoon of beaten egg. If you're going to make a couple of cakes, which you probably will because they're so easy to make, they're so tasty, and they're just fun, aren't they? They're a lot of fun. I mean, go check this video out. Once you make these, it is like such a breeze to put these in the microwave. So if you're making multiple, just beat up an egg and measure it out. If you're only going to be making one, you might want to get the egg beaters that come in the carton, so you're just not wasting eggs. So just a tip for you. All right. Oh boy, was Mom spill that? Was it that boring?
I slept in today.
Oh, all right. So now we need to add in our butter. So we got 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
That was an accident, guys.
Messes will happen in the kitchen.
I'll go get a paper towel.
Oh, it's okay. It's not even that messy. It's fine. We'll clean up afterwards, okay?
Okay.
I would much prefer being messes in the kitchen and spending time together doing this.
I did not expect that.
No, you didn't. All right, so mix this together. And I'm going to go ahead and start opening our pre-packaged box. You guys, the little printables that are free, again, freetopper.com. Use the coupon code
But the book
YouTube. Yeah, the book you can get on Amazon, but use the coupon code YouTube to get these printables for free. They're just another fun activity in here. And
if you want to do it, you just have to click subscribe and ring the bell.
Yeah, click subscribe and ring the bell. If you haven't done that already, what are you doing?
And then we will just sell these for free. free.
Yeah, these are just free. These are just a gift from us. But it's great for organizing it so you know what's in each baggie, whether it be from scratch cake, a box cake, red velvet, brownies, anything like that.
Make sure
so
you
these are
get
great.
this too.
Yeah. So here is our prepackaged red velvet box mix. So this way we're not wasting anything, and
Yeah,
it's just easy.
we can just make more, right?
We can make more. And just get all that goodness in there and just mix,
Now,
mix.
don't do this without a supervision from a grown-up.
Don't do it without supervision for an adult. That is good
It's
too.
looking so red, look.
Yes. Oh, that's yummy. That's yummy.
Ooh, this is going so good.
Uh-huh. This is Hollis's favorite is red velvet. Yeah?
Yeah, I thought we might make it. That's what I thought.
Not you? Well, you thought right. All right, so let's make sure. Is that good?
Yeah.
Let Mommy kind of scoop around the edges, make sure
And
we get
this
all the
also
goodness.
has the name of this thing.
It does.
Now, I'm going to tell them about
Yeah.
this and you just
Okay, you tell them, and
Now-
I'll just pour it in here.
Now, you see, has stars.
Mm-hmm.
You see the inside, there's pictures.
Uh-huh.
And now, let me get the other.
There's some colorful pictures in there, recipes of all kinds of
Well, you
yummy
see my
stuff.
mom is doing.
Yes, I'm just using the spatula to pour our
You
cake
see there's
batter.
hearts. I don't know who did that. Those were nice. I think it was me.
Yes. Oh, this is about our baby sister, Hallie. So
Yes.
if you get one of these, there is a dedication to our baby sister.
All the food you can get and make in this book.
In
This
here,
is so amazing.
it is so amazing. It's so colorful, and it's so fun, isn't it, Bubba? All right, so now we're ready to put it into the microwave. Yes?
I'll
Okay.
put it in. I need
All right.
the gloves in case it's hot in there.
Yes. So,
Now,
hot
one
down. We're going to do it for 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. Did you remember that?
Yeah.
You did, because you're so smart. All right, just pop it open. Put it in.
1 minute.
1 minute. And let it cook. Start. All right.
Now, ready? Mama?
It's ready.
Yeah, but safety first.
Safety first.
Mika.
All right. There you go.
Now close it.
Closing it. Safety
Now, I'm going to do it because I have the gloves, right?
Uh-huh. You need any help? We're going to
Yeah.
flip it this
Is
way.
it hot?
It is a little warm. All right.
Now
hold
what?
on.
Now,
Slowly. Slowly.
and guys,
Ta-da! Oh, it's okay. Mommy flipped it towards the edge of the plate, didn't I? You want to show them? There is our red velvet butterfly cake. Do you want to
red.
give it a taste? Oh my goodness. This red velvet is delicious. It was a good job. Good job, Chef Hollis. You're the man. Awesome. Now there are recipes for icing in here. You can obviously get icing from the store. You guys, this cake, look how fluffy and moist it is. 60 seconds in the microwave. We're spending time together. It's such a great deal. I don't think I can quit eating. It's so good.
now we're going to pause this video, and after we eat, we're going to make another one. Okay? Bye.
Bye guys. Have a great day. And we'll see you next time on what? The Hasty Tasty Chef.
Chef.
What? What is that?